In April, for Indonesia Season 3, I set out once again with absolute determination and a mindset of no turning back. We are heading straight into a brutal face-off with the raw wild, fully prepared to unlock the deepest secrets of the planet's most mysterious snake sanctuaries. Right now, our team is preparing to land on this brand new, uncharted island to explore and see exactly what kind of deadly, rare snake species we can discover lurking in the shadows of this thick canopy. Hidden deep within the heart of this unforgiving jungle is the ultimate prize, a creature of legends, the world's longest wild reticulated python. Navigating through this terrain at night changes everything. Your senses are on high alert, your heart pounds, and every rustle in the leaves could mean you are standing next to an apex predator. Okay, it's coming over. Who's coming over? Holy crap, it is absolutely massive. Watch your step. Look at that. A staggering 6.22-meter beast, carved with the pure, overwhelming power of nature itself. Some people fear its crushing constriction, while others dread its stealthy, ghost-like movements through the brush. Hold it down. Hold it down. Don't let it slip away. But a true explorer's footsteps never halt for fear, trekking through treacherous paths densely covered in thorns, and enduring the haunting isolation of lurking in the dead of night. Every single close encounter with these apex predators is a moment of pushing past my own limits. True adventure means using our fragile human bodies to confront the terrifying unknown. True determination means using an unwavering heart to unlock the ultimate wonders of nature. Don't ask me why I push myself so hard or why I risk it all in these deep woods. It's because all of you watching behind the screen deserve nothing less than my absolute best. New opportunities are waiting, hidden deep inside the Indonesian rainforests, from the familiar streets to uncharted overseas territories, and from the known to the completely foreign. My battlefield has never been limited to just one place. No matter how many unknowns or dangers lie ahead, we are ready to conquer them all. Indonesia Season 3 is officially on the way. Stay tuned, carrying the high expectations of my fans, and driven by a relentless spirit that refuses to back down. We are here to write an unforgettable story of survival and discovery.